Hi guys, I'm back with more XR goodies. I have 3 different screen protectors from different brands, all under 10 bucks. They're going to cover different categories for people who need different things in their life. Let's get to unboxing. Let's start off with something traditional, tempered glass screen protectors. I got this 3-pack from Maxboost. Each screen protector is about 0.25 millimeters. Apparently the world's thinnest tempered glass screen protector according to Maxboost. Inside are the 3 screen protectors, an installment frame, and a pack of what looks like warranty information and other installing tools. There are 3 of the wipes and dust stickers each. Use the dust sticker to grab any stray and lint on the phone screen. They'll leave bubbles if you don't. Now, grab the screen protector, peel off the protective layer and line the top of it with the frame, then just drop it. Maxboost does offer a lifetime warranty for their screen protectors if you're someone who goes through screen protectors like my dog goes through chew toys. However, I don't think I'll use this screen protector since it doesn't cover the whole screen. Next, we have a privacy screen protector for hyper-paranoid and secretive people. This privacy screen comes from Supershieldz. It was sold as 2-pack. Opening up the package, the first thing you see is the install guide. On the other side are the alcohol wipes, guide, and dust stickers, and 2 screen protectors. The first thing to note about this screen protector, it is super dark. You can see everything on your phone screen when looking at it straight on, but it is cast with a dark sheen over everything. This is unavoidable because that's the whole purpose of this screen protector. Let's go ahead and install it. First, clean off your phone with alcohol wipes, microfiber cloth, and dust wipe. Afterwards, align the screen protector to your phone and use the guide stickers on the side to help it keep it placed. Peel off the protective layer and place the screen protector all the way down. It was an easy installation, but sadly, this screen protector doesn't cover the whole screen just like Maxboost. And this one also leaves big bubbles on the screen. However, the privacy features does work like a charm. If you shift the orientation of your phone from one side away from you, the screen goes black. I recommend using the screen protector with your phone on the brightest setting, or your screen will be hard to see, and it won't be easy on your eyes. Last up is not a glass screen protector, it is actually a PET film. Some people don't like the feeling of glass screen protectors. It adds bulk, might mess with the sensitivity of your screen or other such issues. But it's still recommended to have a little something to at least protect against scratches, right? That's where Ringke's Dual Easy Film comes in. I think the main issue with this film screen protectors is that they're just difficult to install sometimes, but I have used this product before on another device and it was revolutionary. It's super easy to install and the end of product was flawless and clean. Inside this package are 2 screen protectors, alcohol wipe, microfiber cloth, and a squeezy. Let's go ahead and clean out the phone like usual. We had the dust stickers in the last 2 products, but the Dual Easy has this covered. We'll take off the bottom layer and reveal this dust capturing sheet beneath. It's slightly sticky enough to grab whatever dust or particles are left on your screen, and it also lets you realign the screen protector as many times as you need. Once you've got your screen clean and the protector is aligned, begin by slowly peeling back the top half. Use the included squeegee and slowly attach the screen protector to the screen while removing the dust capturing layer. Repeat this process for the bottom half as well. And ta-da! That was super simple and the screen protector went on so smoothly. It honestly looked like there's nothing on the screen. Those are the 3 screen protectors I got for my iPhone XR. I have some extras left over, so I guess I'll just choose the one I like the best and roll with it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!